Good morning, everyone. So, with this COVID virus going on currently in the world and which has turned the world upside down, I would like to bring one innovation which every one of us could adapt. So, this innovation is based on whenever I go outside, I'm really not sure that the things which I've touched is really COVID free or not. Researchers say that if a virus is present on a steel rod or an iron rod, it stays there for 2 days. So we are looking for an approach how to avoid touching such viruses or such things, so that we combat everyone together with this COVID virus. So let's start off the innovation which we have thought of, which is portable hooks. So before I start with that, I would just like to show you the things which are there with me right now. So I have only 5 things with me, with which I have made the portable hooks. So I would just like to show you this. Yeah, so here I have a mask. This is a mask which is use and throw mask. So I'm about to throw this mask in a couple of hours time. Then I have my mobile which I carry almost every time. This is the mobile cover which you are able to see. This is a Hartley flip cover which has a mobile stand in it. So this is my cover. I have a pair of scissors for which I'll be cutting it, and there is a hanger which is available for me, and of course I have a sanitizer with which I'll sanitize the hanger. So starting with the process, I'm just trying to sanitize this particular hanger. So yeah, I assure that this hanger is sanitizer proof. So once this is sanitize proof, I'll cut the upper part of this hook. So the advantage of this hook is that, so I've sanitized the hanger completely. So I just need the upper part of the hanger, which will allow me to hold anything. So what I'm doing is, this is a plastic hanger. I'll just cut the upper part of it. So yeah, after cutting, this is the upper part which is left with me. So for you guys who are thinking how I cut it, is I just heat the knife into the burner, and I've just cut this upper part. Alright, so once this hook is available, just make sure that any hanger which is there in your house, you can make a hook. And it's better if you plan to have a stronger hook. So a hanger which holds more number capacity of clothes, that is much better. So what I am doing here is, yeah, so I have just I am, what I'm trying to show you here is, I'm just cutting the edges of this particular mask which I'm about to throw. So what I'll do is, I'll sanitize this first before using or before doing anything. So I'll just make sure that this is much in a sanitized format. Suppose that I'm just cutting the edges of this mask. So I have this 2 ends of the mask which is readily available to me, and I have cut it. So now what I'm doing is, I have this cover of my mobile which is having a hole outside. Alright, so I need something which pulls off these wires that can hold the hook. Okay, so what I'm doing is, I'm just pushing this part of mask here, and I'm trying to pull this out from the mask. Alright. So the part is outside right now. Okay, so what I need to do is, I need to pull the maximum part outside, so that my maximum part of the elastic is outside. So post that, I'm pushing the mobile into the cover. If you can see, this is available to me. I'm able to have the plastic from the camera of the mobile handset. Alright, so what I have to do is, this is the hook which is available to me. So what I'll do is, I'll put of it inside this so that it holds it easily. Okay, and the second side. Door of my house. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm trying to open it and I'm trying to pull it. So I have not touched any object. I'm just walking outside and I sanitize my hand before I leave. So as you know, this is the gate of my building, which I have to touch each and every time. So I'm not sure whether any person who is carrying COVID has touched this. So what I do is, I just open the door with this. So just making sure that the strength of pulling the hook is strong, and I just walk in and I just close it with the same. So this is how I'm avoiding the contact.
Yes.
So this is how I build this portable hook. So guys, this is how I have made the portable hook. Even you guys can make it at your home. It's very easy to make, and let's fight with the virus together. And yeah guys, stay home, stay safe.